we dey on top the issue of the NDA attack. We be say some unknown government they come attack our NDA for Kaduna State. Remember that sad incident we be say happen for Kaduna State of recent. Now you come make Femi Adesina one of the presidents. We be say say that man. Remember, abeg show me the picture of Femi Adesina. Abeg Femi Adesina, see him for you. See this man. Well done, sir. He don't abuse all Nigerians. He talk say now he talk am. He talk say some Nigerians they ungrateful. He talk say some people will be say they do two face. You can ask am how you mean. He talk say some people they do for their as in physically they do as you say that attack say him pain them, but innerly say they happy say thank God say some unknown government no they attack our soldiers, so this thing no. He talk say those people they ungrateful. You go ask am why you talk am. You go talk say despite the fact say our gallant soldiers then they fight war 247 and they make sure say make everywhere they okay, make Boko Haram no enter the country, make this thing no happen, and they come see attack instead of all Nigerians, instead of everybody today today moody, instead of everybody today in pity, instead of everybody today prayerful, we come they make jests say or no Boko Haram say no government attack a whole NDA. Now wetin Femi Adesina now wetin talk na be that. You know say on top that issue of NDA attack they still dey on top am. Dem talk say the security guard wey dey in charge of CCTV talk say him sleep. I never hear that kind of thing for my life. Person wey dey in charge of CCTV him sleep. I think say this post the post na this thing na shifting. How will soldier sleep for post? Talk say soldier sleep for post. Talk say then go do this thing. So no CCTV camera capture those bandits at all. In fact, if we capture them for this country, wetin go still happen? We go still give them amnesty. You know say na the second day wey be say those unknown government they attack NDA, the second day over 100 Boko Haram still repents, and those same soldiers they accept them happily again. It be like say for this country we can't dey play ourselves. We dey play ourselves wayo. But that one not concern. We only concern me now this issue of Femi Adesina where they lambast everybody say Nigerians say then they ungrateful. So Femi Adesina you don't lambast you now in case you dey among those people where we say you dey say for your face, say for physical face say you dey sad, but internally you dey happy say Boko Haram attack NDA. He talk say you be ungrateful. I will see him talk. Now him be that. I know say they no go accept blame for this country. They go dey shift blame for this country. We know they ever accept blame at all for this country. We need that time. Now we say I go talk with that on top this edition. My name na MC Top Secret. See you. Bye.